Well, greetings and salutations. Hope you're all keeping well, folks. To see these little guys in person was on my bucket list, ever since I first seen them on the nature programmes narrated by Sir David Attenborough. To see how small they are in person is unreal, and see how perfectly formed they are for their environment is amazing. Do you know what a gummivore is? Well, I'll explain in a little bit. The Pygmy Marmoset, or the finger monkey, is a New World monkey, meaning that its home is the Americas. Their home is high in the treetops of the rainforests of the Amazon basin in countries such as Brazil, Colombia, Peru and Ecuador, and of course northern Bolivia. They make their home and living in forest, trees or bamboo thickets near or alongside rivers and floodplains. They kind of prefer living in dense rainforests where there's lots of hiding places among the plants and trees. By the way, their tail is not prehensile, meaning that it's only used for balance while moving from tree to tree. They normally live in groups, or what's called as troops. This can range from anywhere from 5 to 9 members. They have the breeding pair, their babies, and then the older children. Their parents stay together for life. Living in a group is useful for pygmy marmosets. There's more pairs of eyes to spot predators, and everyone helps out and takes care of the little ones. For added safety, the troop spends their night among the thick vines or in tree holes. The mother's gestation period is about 4 to 5 months, and she could give birth every 5 to 7 months. Like other marmosets or tamarins that we've looked at on this channel, they normally give birth to twins in the wild. In captivity, the mothers can have 3 to 4 babies in one pregnancy. Each newborn is so tiny, it's the size of a human thumb, and the father not only helps deliver, but also cleans them, and carries the newborn on his back for the first couple of weeks. Each time the mother gives birth, it's a family affair, with everyone in the troop giving a hand to look after the newborn baby. Newborns are normally weaned after 3 months and are fully grown up to at 2 years of age. As I stated earlier, what is a gummivore? Well, my friends, it's our little friend here. He is a gummivore, and it means their favourite food is the sap and resin from trees. They will use their teeth to make holes in tree bark, and that's when the sap from the tree pools into the hole, and then they'll lick it out. A troop can make up to 13 holes in a single tree. In the wild, they'll also eat lizards, birds and insects, and in captivity, for example, in Edinburgh Zoo, they eat a mix of veggies, fruits, and specialised commercial diet for New World monkeys, also crickets, and as you can see here, our little friend is eating a mealworm, and also waxworms and even boiled eggs. The normal lifespan of these little guys is 20 years in captivity, but not in the wild. In the wild, they have to contend with predators such as cats, harpy eagles and hawks, snakes. Besides predators, they also have a tendency to fall out of trees. Besides the natural factors, there's also habitat destruction and illegal pet trade. To combat this, the United States and the countries in South America are actually banning export and import of all primates, thankfully. So they won't be able to do it anymore. Folks, if you like this content, you'll sure to like Cotton Top Tamarins on screen now. See you in the next one. Bye bye.